Did you know the most stressful job in fashion isn't being a supermodel? It's being a dog trying to direct Paris Fashion Week. Meet Duchess, an Afghan hound whose career depends on the next 30 minutes. She spent months preparing her avant-garde collection, but backstage is pure chaos. Models need last-minute fittings while Duchess gets completely distracted, sniffing each outfit for quality control. The fashion critics sit in the front row, notebooks ready to destroy dreams. But Duchess has bigger problems. She just spotted a fast